everyone, it's Holly, the Twister Sister. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to teach you the art and craft of balloon twisting. In this video, we are going to be doing a holiday Mickey design that is super duper cute and pretty easy as far as a Mickey Mouse goes. All right, so stay tuned. We only need 4 balloons to do this design. I've got a black 5-inch round, a green 6-inch linking balloon, but you could also do this with red or any of the, like I think a polka dot one would be really cute for like a Minnie Mouse hat. And then I've got two 260s, a white 260 and a black 260 that I've inflated to about a 2 to 3 inch tail there at the end. All right, so we're gonna start off by tying both of our 260s together, and we're gonna do the ear, the very first ear first. So the way we make the ear is we're gonna fold our balloon over, not too big, you kind of want to conserve space a little bit, and just give it a little loop twist there. And then we're gonna go around that loop so that we're going to be covering up this crease here. So come right up over the middle of that and then twist it back down into the base. And that is going to be one ear. It's going to sit facing this way. All right, now this next part, we're going to figure out how far apart we want his ears to be, and we're also going to be making the base of our holiday hat at the same time. So I think, let's see, maybe a little bit farther apart. About 2 to 3 inches there in the white should be good. And then we're gonna fold our black over, so it's just making a nice little loop. And this loop should be bigger than your ear because this is the big circle on the face. And this might come undone, so just keep an eye on it. Try to, keep it from untwisting as best you can with your arm there until you get these twisted together. And then you can take your white across, so you're gonna have 2 white bubbles, and into this ear, and that'll keep that ear from wanting to untwist anymore. Okay, so we have this. Now we're gonna finish off the other ear, the same as this one. So you should be getting something like this at this point. You can really see the shape of this coming together. And now we're going to finish it off by filling in the middle portion here. And let me just say, if you don't have black or you hate working with black balloons, and I don't blame you, you can try this in all sorts of other colors. I think the chrome would be really pretty. So I've inflated a 5-inch black round, and I'm just kind of eyeballing to see what's gonna fit in this middle space here. And when I think I've got it about right, I'm just gonna tie that off. We're gonna take the nozzle of our black round, we're gonna thread it up in the middle of the hat, and then we're just going to wedge that round balloon into the middle of the face like this. So you're gonna have this tail sticking up in the middle of the hat, ready to attach the top part of the hat. You guys see how cute that is? And you could change this design to make it into a wizard hat, which would also be really cute as well. So for the hat, I'm gonna take a green 6-inch linking balloon. I would have used red, but then I realized I don't carry these in red. I've never really had a need for red linking balloons, or if I have, I used them all up already. So we're gonna do a green, and I'm going to fully inflate this guy. All right, and then I'm gonna let the air out, and then we're going to really underinflate this. So we want it to be really nice and squishy so we can manipulate it and give it a good folded over hat shape as best as we can. Once you've got that nice, about a baseball, softball size shaped balloon, then you can tie this guy off, and you just want to make sure that when you tie your nozzle that you get the knot as close out to the end of this as possible so you can squeeze and manipulate and shape our balloon. We're going to take the linky part of this balloon, and that's what we're going to attach to the nozzle that's in the middle of our hat. Just tie those 2 balloons together. Nice double knot. And if you're wondering why I'm leaving this pesky white 260 on here, it's because we might use this for the ball of the hat, which I'll show you. It's kind of an optional thing. I'll show you some options when we get there. All right, can you guys see how cute this is coming together? Now all we need to do is shape this hat. You might like the shape that it's in as it is now, and then you could just add a white 5-inch round ball on the top of this and call it a day. I like to be a little extra though and really try to get that bent over hat shape, and I'm going to do that by squeezing this balloon so it fills up the neck of the balloon. I'm going to take the knot and we're going to pull that over. You get that nice folded over shape, right? And you can tie this down into one of the ears. You can tie it into the bottom of the hat. Just try a few different things and see what works best for you. And then you get that nice little folded over shape that I love. Now, if you want to use your remaining 260 to do a little ball at the end of the hat, here's what I would do. And you can take this and make it as intricate as you want, and you can add in other balloons. I like to keep everything attached and have the least amount of balloons and the least amount of cutting and tying as possible. So here's what I would do. I would take this and just make a small little spacer bubble in the white, and then do a nice big fat bubble and turn that bubble into a pinch twist. And then once you've got that big fat pinch twist here, I'm just going to take it and tuck it inside of the green balloon folded over part that we made. So it's right there at the end of where our balloon folds over, and it looks like the little ball of the hat. And then you can get rid of the rest of your white and finish it off. All right, so then you should be left with something like this. Just play around with it a bit. Just make sure that no uninflated bits or ugly pieces are showing, and you should have something like this. Again, if you don't like the folded over look, you can leave this kind of just standing straight up and put a white 5-inch round ball on the top of it, just tie it on, and that would be super cute as well. Now I know what you're probably thinking next is, what do you do with this? Because you kind of really have to hold on to it. It's not like something that can stand up on its own. It's going to fall over. It's going to get dropped and popped as soon as you give it to somebody, right? Here's my solution for that. You guys know I love my balloon sticks, and something you might not know is that the supplier, whoever you buy your balloon sticks from, will probably also sell these cool little balloon stick holders for a table. It comes in a big bag of them, and what these are, these fit right over your balloon stick. They just slide right in there, pretty nice and snug, so it's not going to go anywhere. These originally were meant, they have a sticky backing here. You just peel off the little sticker back. These were originally meant to like stand up on a table so you can make a little balloon display with balloons, but it's also great to stick onto the bottom of a balloon design like this. So then you have an adorable holiday mouse design on a stick, and this is something that people will be happy to hold on to and walk around at whatever their event that they're at. It's super cute, and I really love doing this. I think it just adds so much perceived value to this simple design. And don't forget to play around with the colors, and you could do like a gold Mickey, I think would really be cute. You could do a Minnie Mouse with a polka dot pink hat or something like that. So play with it, see what you can come up with, and post some pictures in our Facebook group for us all to see and get inspired from this week. And of course, we've got the clip art for this design, so you can go snag that, throw it on your balloon menu so everyone at your events knows that you can make this, and you can get some good practice making these at your events. If you are a Twisterhood member, you don't have to buy any clip art ever again, because my entire vault of clip art is available to you 24/7, 365 days a year. In my vault, you get every clip art that I've ever done and all the tutorials to go with them. Everything you need is right there in one place in the Twisterhood vault. If you're not a member, I'm really sad for you, but don't worry, because we are opening up membership and taking new enrollments the last week of November. So you'll have a full week to get in and get enrolled as a new member of the Twisterhood. It's going to be super exciting to welcome a bunch of new members. And the last day that you can get in for 2019 will be on Cyber Monday. If you want to make sure that you get notified when we are taking new members, make sure that you're on our wait list. You can sign up at thetwisterhood.com so you'll be one of the first people to know when doors open. If you guys like this, make sure to let me know by giving the video a little thumbs up. Really helps me out. It's a small, easy, free thing that you can do to show your support. And if you want to see more videos like this, of course, you're going to want to make sure that you're subscribed and that you turn on your notifications so that YouTube actually tells you when I upload new videos. That's always fun. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of these other holiday videos for more Christmassy themed stuff. I'll see you over there. Till then, happy twisting.